So today we are in Buda and we are headed to the city centre on the harbour to check it out. It's meant to be a really cultural city, so we're looking forward to a very different day of city life opposed to nature.
Yes, city life. It's a very busy main street.
Nah. So Buda is well known for its street art. Luncheon in the sun.
Luncheon in the sun.
So in the middle of the city centre down near the harbour in Buda, they have like a specialty beer place where you can buy a whole heap of local beers and ciders to the area and just Norway in general. So we got a few to try. So if you're in the area, check it out. So this afternoon, just outside of Buda, is like the coastal area. So about half an hour away, we're at Milja Beach or something like that. It's meant to be really nice. You can't access the beach directly by car, so you have to go for a little stroll, but apparently it's pretty easy, half an hour walk from the bottom car park, so should be nice. The sun's out. Will Lockie go in? I put my money on no because it will be cold. It's not bad in the sun, but there's a bit of a breeze. It's not the warmest. In? She is, but are you? Going in? Is it cold? Oh, lovely. Come on. Chicken. Chicken. This could go on for half an hour. There's not a crocodile. Just run. Just run. No, you said you were doing it. The people want to see. And they don't have all day. He's going. Oh, he went. That's good. Maybe it's warmed up a bit because it's been a bit warmer out for a few days. Oh, he's staying in. It can't be too bad. This is the car park that you can actually park in at Milja Beach, and apparently if you hike start from here, the view's not too bad and it's a really nice day, so we're going to barbecue as usual. Lockie's relaxing.
Yeah.
Good morning guys, we have woken up near Milja Beach, or however you say it, where we camped last night. And today we are hiking to some other beaches close by. It's called Hogsdunsenet Beach, something like that. We'll write it on a little link below. And then also Osvika or Orvika, something like that. Anyway, they're only beaches you can get to by hiking. So
Another beautiful day.
We've just made it to the first beach. So we think this is called Borgvika. We think, we're not sure. But it is beautiful. There's not another soul in sight. We're here alone, so definite advantage of getting up not even super early on a Saturday morning here in Europe and Norway, seems to be. So there's the beach that we were at yesterday, and then the other one is on the other side of the rock just there. But the whole area is just stunning. So we've just got to the top of Hobsonnet Beach, or however you say it, and it is just amazing. Lucky.
That's right.
So beautiful. So we are back at Osvika Beach. On the way back we're going to have lunch, and we've changed into our swimmers. We're going to relax in the sun and cool off.
Hello, we are going to the lake. Goodbye. This afternoon we have arrived at a lake to stay for the night. And we're walking there to go for a swim right now.
Lovely. So we just went swimming in the lake, and what did you think?
Yeah, like it's not cold, it's pretty warm, which is surprising. It's nice.
So it's true what they say, that the lakes are definitely warmer in Norway, and that's why a lot of people go swimming in lakes and not the ocean. The ocean's just a lot prettier, personally, but it's very nice.
Beggars can't be choosers, my friend.
I'm not a beggar, I'm a chooser. So this morning we are off hiking Kaiservarden, I think it's called, in Buda. It's a very popular hike to do here, as it overlooks basically the entire of Buda and surrounds. So the main route, easier route, is closed at the moment due to roadworks, I think. So we're taking another route. It's about double the length, but it should be good. Woken up just outside of Saltstraumen, and Saltstraumen is the strongest tidal current in the world. So we're headed there this morning. On every 6 hours the tide goes in and out, and that's when it's at its strongest. So this morning it goes in or out, I can't remember, at 7:43. So we are heading there now to check it out. So it should be cool. So the current in Saltstraumen gets up to speeds of 20 knots. So it's pretty strong and pretty fast. We came and checked it out yesterday afternoon when we arrived in the area, just to have a look. And the difference that we could notice from afar this morning is massive. They reckon that when it's at its strongest, the currents can be up to 10 meters wide and 4 to 5 meters deep. So very strong. You can see Lockie is down there flying the drone and I'm up on the bridge getting a view with my own eyes.